mathlane multiple choice questions series, and in this video we are going to discuss multiple choice questions about one of the conic sections called circle. Question number 1. The conic ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle if, and the options are. Let's find out which one is the correct option. But before that, we explain it. Given conic is, uh, if in this conic A is equal to B and H is equal to 0, we get ax square plus 2 into 0xy plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. We divide this equation by A and we get. Now note that this resulting equation is general equation of a circle. So the given conic represents a circle if A is equal to B and H is equal to 0. So correct option is option A. Question number 2. A point P x1 y1 lies inside the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 if, and the options are. Let's find out which one is the correct option. But before that, we explain it. Given circle is this, and the given point is Px1, y1. The center and radius of this circle are. Now, we know that the point lies inside the circle if the distance between center of circle and point is less than radius. We apply a distance formula for 2 points and put value of r, and we get this relation. After simplifying, we get x1 square plus 2gx1 plus g square plus y1 square plus 2fy1 plus g square is less than g square plus f square minus c. Now cancel out g square and f square and we get x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is less than 0. So the correct option is option C. Question number 3. Equation of circle with points 1, 1 and -1, -1 as endpoints of diameter is, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. But before that, we explain it. Equation of a circle with given endpoints of diameter is x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Call 1, 1 as x1, y1 and -1, -1 as x2, y2. Replacing these values, we get, after simplifying, we get x square plus y square is equal to 2. Therefore, correct option is option C. Question number 4. How many tangents can be drawn to a circle from a point outside of the circle? And the options are, and the correct option is, we know that only 2 tangents can be drawn from a point outside of circle to a circle. So the correct option is option B. Question number 5. Which of the following lines is normal to the circle x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 10? And the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. But before that, we explain it. Given circle is this, the center of circle is 1, 2. We know that normal line to circle always passes through center of circle. So we replace the coordinates of center in these lines one by one. Uh, Consider the line x plus y is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 and we get 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and we get 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, a center satisfies the line x plus y is equal to 3. So, the center lies on x plus y is equal to 3. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 3 is equation of normal line. Therefore, the correct option is option D. Question number 6. Length of tangent drawn from point 1 to the circle x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0 is, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option, but before that we explain it. Length of tangent from a point P x1 y1 to a circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is this. Given point is 5 1, we call it x1 y1. We replace the values of x1 y1 and we get, after simplifying, the length of tangent to be 7. Therefore correct option is option A. Question number 7. Equation of circle with center 5 minus 2 and radius 4 is, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option, but before that we explain it. Equation of circle with center HK and radius R is this. Here the center is 5 minus 2 and radius is R. Replace these values, simplify, and we get x square plus y square minus 10x plus 4y plus 13. Therefore the correct option is option B. Question number 8. A circle touches both axes at points A0 and 0A. Then center of circle is, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. We draw a circle which touches both axes at points A0 and 0A. Here this point is A0 and this point is 0A. Obviously from these points we conclude that A is the radius of a circle, and as you can see the center must be in first quadrant. So in first quadrant the coordinates of a center will be AA. Therefore the correct option is option D. Question number 9. X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta are parametric equations of, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. But before that we explain it. X is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta are parametric equations of a circle, because a circle can be generated from these equations. Square and add these equations and we get, after simplifying, x square plus y square is equal to a square, which is equation of circle with radius a and center at origin. Therefore the correct option is option C. Question number 10. Circumference of circle x square plus y square plus 8x minus 6y is equal to 0 is, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option, but before that we explain it. Given circle is this, we compare this circle with the general equation of circle and we get 2g is equal to 8, 2f is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 0, and from here g is equal to 4, f is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 0. The radius of circle is square root of g square plus f square minus c. We replace values of g, f and c in it and we get r to be 5. We know that the circumference of a circle is given as 2 pi r. Here we replace value of r to be 5 and we get c is equal to 10 pi. Therefore correct option is option A. Question number 11. Equation of diameter of circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0 is, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. But before that we explain it. Given circle is this. We know that the center of a circle lies on the diameter of a circle. So we find the center of given circle and we check on which line the center lies. We compare this equation with general equation of circle, and we get 2g is equal to -6, 2f is equal to 2, c is equal to -8. We get g -3, f 1, and c -8. The center of circle is -g -f. Replace these values and we get center of circle to be 3 -1. Now we replace these coordinates of center in given equations one by one. We first check x plus 3y is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -1, and we get 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, the center 3 -1 satisfies x plus 3y is equal to 0. In other words, the center lies on the line x plus 3y is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 3y is equal to 0 is equation of diameter. Therefore, correct option is option B. Question number 12. Set notation of a circle of radius r and center C is, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. But before that, let's explain it. Here, the correct option is this. As we know that by definition of circle, circle is a set of points whose distances from a fixed point called center of circle must be equal to radius of circle. So this is the correct option. So the correct option is option A. Question number 13. Eccentricity of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 is, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. As we know that the eccentricity of every circle is 0, so the eccentricity of given circle must also be 0. So the correct option is option D. Question number 14. Radius of the circle 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0 is, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. But before that, let's explain it. Given equation is this. Here the coefficients of x square and y square are 3 each, but these coefficients must be 1 each. So we divide this equation by 3. Now this is the general equation of circle because the coefficients of x square and y square are 1 each. Now we compare this equation of circle with the general equation of circle and get 2g is equal to -2, 2f is equal to 2, c is equal to -6. The values of g, f and c are this. The radius of circle is given as square root of g square plus f square minus c. Replace the values of g, f and c and we get r is equal to 2 into square root of 2. Here r will be equal to square root of 8. It can be written as 4 into square root of 2 and it will be 2 into square root of 2. Therefore, the correct option is option C. Question number 15. Equation of circle with center at origin and radius unity is, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. But before that, we explain it. The equation of a circle in standard form with center HK and radius R is this. Here HK, the center HK is equal to 0, 0 because center is at origin and radius is unity, that R is equal to 1. We replace these values and we get the equation of circle as x square plus y square is equal to 1. Therefore, correct option is option B. Question number 16. Circles x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 8y minus 4 is equal to 0. Touch internally, touch externally, intersect, do not touch. Let us check which one is the correct option. But before that, let's explain it. The first circle is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y is equal to 0. We compare it with the uh, general equation of circle and find the radius and center of this circle. Here 2g if is equal to minus 2, 2f is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 0. Therefore, the values of g, f and c become minus 1, minus 2 and 0. The center of first circle is called C1 and it is 1, 2. The radius is square root of minus 1 square plus minus 2 whole square minus 0 and it becomes square root of 5. Similarly, for the second circle, the values of G, F and C are 0, minus 4, minus 4. The center is 0, 4 of second circle and the radius of second circle will be square root of 20. It can be written as 2 into square root of 5. Now we find the distance between the centers of both circles. Applying distance formula, we get the distance to be square root of 5. Now we find the difference of radii of both circles. R2 minus R1, that will be equal to 2 into square root of 5 minus square root of 5 is equal to square root of 5. Here we see that the center, the distance between centers of circle and the difference of their radii are equal. So if the distance between centers of circles is equal to difference of their radii, the circles touch internally. Therefore, the correct option is option A. Question number 17. Circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 is tangent to, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. The given circle is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. We find its radius and circle by comparing it with the general equation of circle. We get g, f and c to be 2, minus 1, 0. The center of the circle will be minus 2, 1. The radius of the circle will be 1. Now, if we want to check whether a line is tangent to circle or not, we apply the fact that the distance between center of circle and line must be equal to radius of circle. Now we find the distance of the center from these lines one by one. We check the line y is equal to 0 first. The distance between minus to 1 and y is equal to 0, that is center and the line is d is equal to 1 and that is equal to radius of circle. So the correct option is option B. Question number 18. Length of the chord when circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 7y plus 12 is equal to 0 intercepts y-axis is, and the options are. Let's find out which one is the correct option. The given circle is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 7y plus 12 is equal to 0. Since circle intercepts y-axis, therefore we put x is equal to 0 and solve for y. We get the values of y 3 and 4. Therefore, points of intersection will be 0, 3 and 0, 4. Therefore, length of chord is found by the distance formula as the length of chord is 1. Therefore, the correct option is option A. Question number 19. The circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 touches x-axis, then radius of circle is, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. The given circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Its center is minus g minus f. Radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Since x-axis is tangent to the circle. Therefore, the distance between x-axis and the circle of center must be the radius of circle. Therefore, the radius is the distance between minus g minus f and x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Applying the distance formula for a point and line, we get the radius to be f. Therefore, correct option is option B. Question number 20. When line x plus y is equal to 2 touches this circle, then the point of contact is, and the points of contact are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. As these are points of contact, therefore these points must satisfy the equation of line and the equation of circle. We have checked the point 1 1 and see whether this point satisfies these two equations. First we consider the equation of a circle and put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, and we get 0 is equal to 0. Therefore 1 1 satisfies the equation of circle. Likewise, we take the equation of line and put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. It also gives 2 is equal to 2. Therefore 1 1 also satisfies the given line. So 1 1 is the correct option, and the correct option is option D. Question number 21. Center of the circle is, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. Here, the equation of a circle is 5x square plus 5y square plus 14x plus 12y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is not in general form. To get it into general form, we must divide by 5 and we get x square plus y square plus 14 over 5x plus 12 over 5y minus 2. Here, the values of 2g, 2f are these. Therefore, g and f will be this. The center is equal to minus g minus f. Therefore, the center of the given circle will be minus 7 over 5 minus 6 over 5. Therefore, the correct option is option C. Question number 22. Equation of tangent to the circle this at point 23 is, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. Here the equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to 1. To find the equation of tangent to circle, we just replace x square by xx1 and y square by yy1. Therefore, equation of tangent will be x1 plus yy1 is equal to 1. Here x1 y1 is equal to 2 3. Just replace these values and we get the equation of circle to be 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. Therefore, correct option is option. Question number 23. If point 7 minus 2 lies on a circle with center C minus 5 3, then radius of circle is, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. As we know that the distance between center and a point on circle is equal to radius of circle. Therefore, we apply the distance between 2 points formula and get the radius of circle to be 13. Therefore, correct option is option C. Question number 24. For two circles, if sum of their radii is equal to distance between their centers, circles touch each other, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. Do remember, the circles touch each other externally only if the distance between the centers of both circles must be equal to sum of their radii. So, according to given equation, the circles touch each other externally. Therefore, correct option is option B. Question number 25. The equation ax square plus by square plus gx plus fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle if, and the options are. Let's check out which one is the correct option. And the correct option is option C, as the coefficients of x square and y square cannot be different and they cannot be 0. So the correct option is option C. Question number 26. Equation of normal line to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square at point x1 y1 is, and the options are, let's check out which one is the correct option. The given circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Uh, we find the equation of normal line. We take derivative and get dy by dx is equal to minus 2x over 2y. Cancel 2 with 2. Therefore, the slope of tangent line will be equal to m, and it will be equal to minus x1 over y1. Therefore, equation of normal line will be y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 over m into x minus x1. Replace value of m and we get, after simplification, we get x1y minus xy1 is equal to 0. Therefore, option D is the correct option. Question number 27. The line y is equal to mx plus c is tangent to the circle this if, and the options are, let's check out which one is the correct option. Given circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Given line is y is equal to mx plus c. Replace the value of y in the equation of circle and we get an expression 1 plus m square into x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square is equal to 0. Since the given line is tangent to the circle, therefore roots must be equal, and if the roots are equal, then discriminant will be equal to 0. Note that if a line is a secant line, it cuts a circle in 2 points, and the coordinates of points will be x1 y1 and x2 y2. But if this line becomes a tangent line, then x1 will be equal to x2 and y1 will be equal to y2. That is, roots will be equal, and if roots are equal, then discriminant will be 0, and after simplification we get the required condition c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Therefore, correct option is option A. Question number 28. The point BC lies outside the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square if, and the options are, let's check out which one is the correct option. Uh, Given circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square, therefore its center is 0, 0 and radius is equal to a. The given point is BC. Now the point lies outside the circle only if the distance between the point and the center of circle is greater than radius of circle. That is, CP will be greater than R, and after applying the distance formula we get B square plus C square greater than A square. Therefore, correct option is option C. Question number 29. The number of tangents that can be drawn on a circle are, and the options are, let's find out which one is the correct option. Draw a circle and draw a tangent line. Draw another tangent line. Draw another tangent line. Keep on drawing these tangent lines. You can draw as many tangent lines as you want. So there will be infinite number of tangent lines, and the correct option is option D. Question number 30. If the lines 2x minus 3y plus 4 and 4x minus 6y plus 10 is equal to 0 are tangents to a circle, then radius of circle is, and the options are, let's find out which one is the correct option. Given lines are 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 6y plus 10 is equal to 0. Divide it by 2. and we get 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now these lines uh, can be written in general form: a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Therefore value of c1 is equal to 4. Similarly, a2x plus b2y plus c2, and the value of c2 is equal to 5. Now since the lines are tangent to a circle, therefore, the distance between the lines will be equal to diameter of circle. Now we find the diameter of circle, that is distance between these two tangent lines, and from there we will find the radius of a circle. Now the distance between the parallel lines is given as c2 minus c1 over square root of a square plus b square. Uh, Here d will be equal to 5 minus 4, as C2, the value of C2 is 5, value of C1 is 4, A is equal to 2 and B is equal to minus 3, as we can observe from both equations. So the distance will be equal to 1 over square root of 13, but radius is half of the diameter. Therefore required radius will be equal to 1 over 2 into square root of 3. Therefore correct option is option B.